Hope all are fine. Good morning and once again welcome to our English class. First, let's revise what we had learned yesterday. Yes kids, yesterday we had learned the letters O and P. But the letters are playing hide and seek. Come on kids, let's go and find out our letters O and P. Capital cursive, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Small block letter P, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Small block letter O, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Capital cursive P, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Yes kids, the letter O sounds like
O is for octopus, octopus.
and the letter P sounds like
P is for pig, pig.
fantastic. Yesterday we had learned the letter O and P. Our revision work is over and let's jump into our today's lessons, that is the letters Q and R. The letter Q is written in the first three lines. To write the letter Q, keep your pencil on the first line. From the first line, write a big circle exactly like O. Take your hand, keep your pencil on the third line. From here, write up, down, up. Well done kids. Together, we have written the letter Q in capital cursive style. Let's once again write the capital letter Q in one single motion. Superb. Now, our small block letter Q is waiting for our call. Let's welcome by writing it. Small block letter Q is written in the down three lines. To write small block letter Q, keep your pencil on the middle line. Write small block letter C within the middle line. Take your hand, go to the middle line or second line again. Write a standing line towards the third line. Superb. Now, your LKG friend is waiting. Let's write together small cursive letter Q. Small cursive letter Q is also written in the down three lines. To write small cursive letter Q, keep your pencil on the third line. Great job. Now, let's see the things related to the letter Q. Q is for Queen and the letter Q sounds like
Q for queen and Q for quail. Q, 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 Q.
Yes kids, we have succeeded in writing the letter Q in capital cursive, small block letter and small cursive style. Let's run to our letter R. The capital cursive letter R is written in the first three lines. To write the capital cursive letter R, keep your pencil on the first line. From the first line, come to the third line. Go to the first line again and finish by touching this standing line. This is exactly like P, and from here write a slanting line towards the third line and finish it off with a small curve. Hooray! Now we know how to write the letter Q in capital cursive style. Let's write one more time in one single action. Excellent. Now let's welcome our small block letter R. Small block letter R is written in the middle line. To write small block letter R, keep your pencil on the second line or middle line. From here, write a standing line to the third line. Go up and write a small curve towards the right, very small curve. Wonderful. Now let's write together our small cursive letter R. Small cursive letter R is also written in the middle line. To write small cursive letter R, keep your pencil on the third line. Wow! Now let's see, the letter R is for rapid and the letter R is for ribbon. The letter R sounds like
R for rope, R for rat, r.
Now we have finished learning the letters Q and R in capital cursive, small block letter and small cursive style. It's time to wind up. Do write and practice today's letters in your worksheet. Practice our English rhyme every day. Study well, improve your handwriting, stay healthy, have a nice day, bye.